Hi guys, welcome back to Smart Wallet Investments. Today we are going to discuss about one long-term stock, maybe medium also, because the way the stock has been improving, it's growing and rising in terms of price. It's been tremendous. So it can give multiple. It can be a multi-bagger also and give tremendous returns in medium to long-term side. But just before we begin, as I mention every time, this is an educational video to study how charts look like, how does the stock is moving in terms of pricing and all, and all. Please do study before investing. This is just for your education purpose. Okay, so let's begin, right? So the stock here we are discussing about is Jindal Photo, right? And here, as we can see, this daily chart, you can see since 8th March, it has been giving upper circuit, right? So almost a month's time, it has been on a upper circuit level with huge volume. Also, we can see over here, okay, and it has grown from around 40 to right now 74, so almost kind of double with continuous upper circuit hitting on a daily chart, right? Now let's see at a longer time frame on a pause. Although the stock looks good on daily charts, let's see on a longer time frame. Let's say on a uh, weekly chart, how does it look like? Okay, on a weekly chart also we can see over here it has broken multiple resistance levels already. As you can see, this level already broke. It has broken all these levels. It has already broken and it is almost to kind of achieving this level right now, okay, around 80. So the stock has been also performing, looking good on the weekly charts. The RSI is also at good levels. The ADI is also at the good levels. Right. So on the weekly also we see a good sign with a lot of green candles over here. Now, if let's say if we see, let's go to the monthly time frame to understand how the stock, because it's really important to understand the different time frames before we invest and take decision whether it's a long or a short term, right? On a monthly time you can really see that how the stock has rose from 36 levels to almost 74. So it's more than double the stock has rose in just 1 month. Okay, this is a March candle, right? And we also see good uptrend coming further in the ADI, and also the RSI is above the levels and the resistance levels, as we can see here. So let's say this RSI has already broken the resistance. So there are still 3 more trading sessions to check out if how the stock performs further. But yes, on a longer time frame, it does look good to us right now. Further, if we see, there's also a good breakout if we see on a longer trend basis, right? So if you check this high level which was in Jan 2008, this trend which has been holding since 2008, you see multiple times it has reversed from here. So it has now after so many years broken this trend, which is a very good positive sign that it may give now a upper side to the stock, right? But as I mentioned, still there are 3 trading sessions left for this candle to close because it's a monthly candle. So if at the month end, if this stock closes above 60, then we see good positive upside with the stock reaching up to 135, 170 levels, and also maybe 200 levels. Okay, so it's a kind of a multi-bagger stock for all of you guys. Please, now this is just based on the technicals. It's really important before investing that you study on yourself. If you believe in fundamentals and you do study about this company and all, if you want, right? So this was my view of the stock, which is uh, kind of a good multi-bagger showing on the charts based on the monthly closing. Obviously, you can keep a stop loss of 35 or maybe 40, 45, 35 to 45, and depending on your risk. And upside is a kind of a bigger upside. Maybe as I mentioned, it's a 140, 170, and 200 levels, and even if goes there more than 200 also, right? So study before you invest, take proper risk because of the choppy markets and the uncertain markets. Again, this is just for your knowledge purpose. Please do study before investing. Have a happy and a safe trading, guys. And also, please do like and subscribe to our channel if you are really benefiting from this. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.